Hiya, it's Helen from Hell of a Cake, and in today's tutorial we'll be doing this cute little Dumbo cake topper. So today I'm going to start off by doing his body, rolling out some sugar paste into a pear shape. Make sure that you use the palm of your hand so that you get the tummy shape. Then just insert a cocktail stick for the head later on. Now for the front legs. Roll out the sugar paste, cut to height, press in the bottom of the leg and roll out ankle area to make the elephant foot. Whoops, I've got some wrinkle lines that just need smoothing out first. Okay, now cut out a 45-degree angle at the back of the leg so it sits right against the body. Repeat this process again for the other leg. Now to add 3 toes on each leg using the smile tool. For the back legs, follow the same steps as the front legs, only this time cut a 45-degree angle to the side, then add his toes. Just add 2 dark grey circles for the soles of his feet. I've never fancied giving an elephant a pedicure, but this one's only 5 inches tall, so just let's add its toes. That's his body complete. Now let's do Dumbo's collar. Just use the 3rd scone cutter in to cut out a red circle. To make the collar frill, roll out some yellow sugar paste. Cut with a straight cutter and attach, making sure you have enough to go around, not like me, where you have to blend in. Simply roll into a ball, insert a groove in the centre to produce his cheeks, then manipulate the paste to shape the trunk. It's time to make his mouth now. Using the flat edge of the Scriber tool, just simply press down to make his mouth. Don't forget to add those smile lines at each side to make him extra happy. Oh yes, don't forget his flappy fat bottom lip, which is made by using the curve tool. As you can see, I'm using my little fingers to redefine his face, which has changed slightly when I've been making his trunk. To enhance his mouth, roll a small piece of black paste into a tiny sausage shape, insert into his mouth and flatten with the curve tool. Dumbo, do you not realise it's rude to put your tongue out? Think trunks look more realistic when you press the end in with your finger and give it a wonky finish. To obtain the outline of Dumbo's eyes, use a plunger cutter, making sure they are at the same height and distance apart. To further prepare the eye, use the curve tool. Now that has been done, it makes adding the white area of the eye so much more easier. I find it so much more easier to add pupils when his head's upside down. A steady hand is required for the outline of his eye. Time for the blue of his iris. I've initially added the outer edge of each iris with a thin blue line. Then I'm applying the blue in downward strokes from the outer edge of the iris towards the pupil. At this stage it doesn't look blue, but trust me, it truly is blue. At this point, remember to stick his head on at an angle because it truly makes a difference. It brings the character to life when he's finished. Cut out the two heart shapes, with the grey one being the biggest of the two. Put them together and cut off the point. At this point, wrap the grey edge heart around to give it a thicker ear look. Then repeat the whole process again by doing the other ear. Listen closely. Time to attach Dumbo's ears. So after applying some edible glue to Dumbo's head, I attach the ears and blend it in. To support the ears, I'm using the skewer sticks to hold each ear in desired position. Repeat for the other ear and leave to set for another 24 hours. Now that his ears are set, we'll remove the cocktail sticks and start off with his hat. Roll out and shape his hat. Pop onto his head and add a bend in using the curve tool. Finally, don't forget the rim of his hat. The last stage is just to dust his cheeks, ears and toes. And here we have the finished Dumbo. If you're interested in more designs, make sure to like the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on. Until next time.